Hey there, senior class of Sonoma Valley High School. Greetings from the art department here. This is Mr. Anderson. I'm really excited to let you know more about what the senior project poster is and its different poster requirements. So the new poster has an elevator very similar to this right now. And so the elevator pitch is about 60 seconds of you explaining your poster. With that, we got rid of the byline. So you still have to have a title, but you also need to have one or two images. The difference this year, though, is you cannot appropriate those images. You have to take your own pictures. You all have phones in your pocket pretty much, so you got to take your own pictures, all right? No more appropriations. That also means you don't have to cite anything because you didn't appropriate an image, right? It's a win-win situation for you. Super easy. Just take quality photos. We don't want blurry, out of focus, too dark, too light photos. They're just lame. Don't do them. All right? Then the other thing is you're going to change a little bit of the background. You're going to change your elements, jazz it up, make it look nice, make it yours. And then you add your name and senior project and the year of your senior project, right? That's pretty much it. Check out more down below. And yeah, you have more details, or come by, see me, Mr. Mitchell or Mr. Kelly, and we can help you out. Good luck on your poster. I know you'll do well. Sayonara.